The Avengers are not coming. Who will keep the American people safe?
Is that Bucky? Oh, it's the Winter Soldier. That guy's so cool. That's what I talk about!
All right, look. There's some big threat out there, and you are gonna help me stop it.
Us?
Why, you got someplace to be?
I love that guy.
This could get messy. I wouldn't do that. Don't do it.
What kind of super serum did you get?
I don't know, regular. Hydra.
Hydra. Oh, fancy.
Everyone here has done bad things.
I can't think of a worse group of people trying to work together.
Me, John, stop! Where are you?
Oh my god. None of us can fly. So what, we all just punch and shoot?
You thought you were gonna be saviors?
We can't do this. No one here is a hero.
Lena, when I look at you, I don't see your mistakes. That's why we need each other.
Okay, that was really good.
We are the Thunderbolts!
Look at you. You formed a team.
Let's do this.
This team can be the heroes! On the Wheaties box with a little piggy toy.
I find it best just to ignore him.